Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 19th of January 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to start today's analysis from Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, so this is the last signal of my signals report. So today I have supplied the bearish signal. If you remember, then I was talking about these factors from the last week, and we have seen the image of such things that I have discussed in my analysis today. So we have a downfall on Great Britain Pound JPY, and I already told you about in my previous analysis that there are some pairs that have reached to the maximum levels. If I put the trend line like this, then you will find that Great Britain Pound JPY was already moved so much up, so it was not a good idea to buy the pair at these levels, and that is what I always advise to my traders. And definitely it's a conservative approach, but this is the right approach. If you want to trade forex in a right way, then this is the only approach which can save you from massive losses. So guys, today I have supplied the bearish signal from 154147, and guys, the result is on the screen. You can see that we have a strong downfall on Great Britain Pound JPY, and those subscribers who have taken the trade on that pair, they should be in good profits. Now let's talk about USD Canadian Dollar here. I'm just going to switch my chart to USD Canadian Dollar. Okay. From the last two lectures that I have provided on YouTube, I have talked about this thing that USD Canadian Dollar is in a bullish zone, but it was going down because it was going down due to the move from the market movers. You know that, guys, we give signals on the basis of technical analysis, and we have nothing to do with the fundamentals. Fundamentals are uncontrollable. We cannot control that factor. However, if you watch the market, then you will understand one thing. Let's suppose if we talk about Euro USD, then you will find that it's going down from 2011. So now you need to understand this thing, that what do you think that from 2011 there are no fundamentals that hit the market? Definitely there will be thousands of fundamentals that hit the market, but still they are unable to change the main trend of the pair. So basically the market follows the technical analysis, which is the long lasting behavior of the market. So guys, today again I have supplied the bullish entry. I wasn't changed my decision to bearish. A bullish signal was supplied. 124198 was the entry, and guys, the result is on the screen. It has taken a smaller U-turn on USD Canadian Dollar, and you can see that the USD Canadian Dollar has moved up. And even if you look at the high time frames, then you will find that on the 4-hour chart, after the downward trend, we are getting the things on the recovery side, and also dodges appeared on the chart. Now let's talk about the Usdchf here. Same thing. If you have watched my previous 2 lectures or 3 lectures, I have talked about USD Canadian Dollar and Usdchf, that there are some pairs. Even those subscribers who are subscribed to my signal service, just remember the note that I have supplied you 2 days ago. I clearly mentioned that there are some pairs, and I also mentioned about this thing in the evening video, that I was talking about the Usdchf and USD Canadian. There are some pairs who have reached to the oversold level, but still market movers are pushing it down. This could be a deception. Please do not hesitate with this thing. And today again I have supplied the bullish signal from 095759, and overall, guys, if you have traded the signal today, it was perfectly fine, because in the first part of the day it was going down. It has taken a proper U-turn, and even if you have traded according to the trading system, it was a very good bullish move from your side. So guys, this is how you need to treat with forex. If you are doing something scalping on M1, M15, M5, then forex is not going to help you in the longer time frame. Simply you will lose your money and you will be eliminated from the market. Just make your approach like this, that whatever I teach you, take one trade in one day on one currency pair. There is no need to take 2 trades on one currency pair. If your decision goes wrong, then there is no need to trade it for the next day. And always build your approach toward full day analysis. Do not do scalping on M15. However, you can do scalping on hourly chart, and you know that I have also supplied a method for this about the dotted line, but you do not need to spend your time and waste your time on the lower time frames. Okay, now let's talk about another good move that we have seen on Great Britain Pound USD. Still, I stuck to my decision that I was bearish, and I still kept myself bearish. It happened 2 times that Great Britain Pound USD has not taken a U-turn. And yesterday, I remember yesterday, I think I was bullish on, Great Britain Pound USD. We have taken a advantage of the rally, because after the downfall, I had to give the signal in a bullish way. But today I was not bullish anymore. I have supplied the bearish signal. The entry was 139060. And guys, this is the real picture that we call it as a U-turn. First of all, Great Britain Pound USD moved up from the entry. So there was no need to worry, because my subscribers know when the pair breaks the entry, then the trade should not be triggered. Wait for the U-turn. U-turn was triggered here, and just before the U-turn, if you look at here, scalper has pointed you to sell signal at the top, and then we have seen a significant downfall on Great Britain Pound USD today. So if you have traded this pair today, then you should be in good profits with no problem. And this was what I was talking about, the things from the last week, to avoid trading and trade wisely with a conservative approach. This is called a conservative approach. Okay, now let's talk about another pair that is satisfied completely. New Zealand USD, a bearish signal was supplied at 073060. First of all, it was a deception. So guys, this is the thing. Look at this long bullish candle. That was our deception from the market movers, that we are pumping up. They are trying to catch more buyers. So after that, they have given a drastic fall on New Zealand USD, and that was what I was looking throughout the week. And those subscribers who are subscribed to my signal service, they must be sure that they have not made a foolish mistake of buying New Zealand USD at these levels. Finally, if you have traded the 50 to 60% signal as I have supplied in the signals report, then it is fine. Then if you have caught your profit up to here, then this is fine. There is no need to greed for the targeted price. If you have traded this one, this is particularly fine for you. Okay, now let's talk about the last pair, and that I'm going to talk about is Euro USD. This is the first pair. So with a bearish expectation in the morning, I know that Euro USD was going up from many days, but I still kept myself to my decision that I'm not going to advise my traders to buy the pair at such levels, because if you look at here, the pair was already moved up. Look at this thing. Pair was already moved up, but later on, just look at the drops from here to here, and then it moved up, and then look at this drop. So that's why again the pair was moved up. That was a very good chance to sell the pair, and I have advised my traders to sell the pair in the morning. 122667 was the entry, and you can see we have a very good drop on Euro USD, and basically the drop started from here. So if you have the good idea about the technical analysis, then you must be sure that after a complete upward trend, we had a doji and we have one confirmation hammer, and then it is completely down. So guys, if you have traded Euro USD as per the signals report, then you should be in very good profits with no problems. So it was a very easy day to trade overall, guys. You know that throughout the week, market was quite tricky, but I feel that still Euro USD needs more drops, because on the daily chart you cannot see any good valid bearish confirmations. So market picture will be more clear on New Zealand USD, Euro USD on Monday or Tuesday or maybe on Wednesday. But overall, guys, if you have traded the signals report, then it was very fine to trade the market. Okay, as per the trading system, sell in the top red boundary with confirmations. If you do not wait for the confirmation, then I'm afraid that trading system will not help you, and you need to buy the pair when it comes up into the lower red boundary. And if it starts giving you confirmation, like look at here, it came into the lower red boundary, then you received a couple of bullish candles, and after that the market started to go up. This is how we use the trading system. However, the trades that we take are only on the basis of signals report. Okay guys, so this is all about the today's analysis, and hopefully the next analysis will be updated on Monday. So guys, those subscribers who have made good profits, I just recommend them to send their screenshots and to send their reviews to my email. And moreover guys, if you're looking to subscribe to my signal service, if you are looking to get the trading system so that it can help you with your trading, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.